What's up guys, I'm Adnan, and being a nature lover, I always like to keep a drone with me, and these days I have DJI Mavic Mini 2, which is a very good compact size drone. And recently I purchased these filters from Sunnylife, look, okay, and this is the filter combo for Mavic Mini, 6 pieces set. It includes ND4, ND8, ND16, ND32, MCUV and CPL. So I came here, this place name is Dibba, and about 150 kilometers from the center of Dubai. It's a quite bright afternoon, and I think it's a good time to try these filters. So let's see what these filters really do. I bought these Sunnylife ND filters from Al Gadgets. They have a very big and beautiful showroom at Sheikh Zayed Road. You have the link in the description, so please check them out. They have much more than the drones or ND filters. I have been flying my drone with different kind of ND filters, but I find out, in my opinion, that ND16 and CPL is the best out of all of this. So let me know what you think about the video, or if you have experience with the same or any kind of different ND filters. If you like the video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.